I enjoy the research topic that I've been studying because I see its actual applications in medicine. I feel like I'm contributing to cancer research in a really positive way. My name is John Larison, and I'm a chemical engineering major. The focus of our lab group is biomaterials and drug delivery systems. I've been doing research on biomimetic materials that can mimic in vivo conditions in the body, mostly on tumor cell research, so we work with tumors of the brain. A brain tumor is a brain cell that are reproducing without control, causing damage to the cells around them. Typically, a tumor cell will swell up like a hard balloon. The tumor that we're specifically studying, a glioblastoma multiforme, tends to metastasize throughout the brain really easily, and it will spread rather than staying in one location, so it's a lot harder to remove through surgery. The median survival rate is about 12 to 15 months because you can perform surgery on someone who has this type of tumor, but the act of removing it will cause the tumor to spread to other parts of the brain, so a tumor will develop in another part later on. There's only so much of the brain that you can remove before you start doing permanent damage to the patient. And also, being in the central nervous system, the blood-brain barrier makes it difficult to treat the tumor with chemotherapy drugs. Right now, not a lot is understood about the migration pattern of the tumor, so we're working on developing a system that the neurosurgeon can use to study its migration pattern and then ultimately to study different treatment methods for that tumor. So what we want to do is develop a 3D model of the brain that presents similar chemical and mechanical cues that you would find in the actual brain. Right now, the model that we're trying to develop is one that is hyaluronic acid and collagen. Hyaluronic acid is the primary polymer in the brain, and collagen is a connective tissue that's found in the tissue that surrounds some of the blood vessels in your brain. A lot of the materials that we work with in our lab are biocompatible and biodegradable, meaning that they decompose over time and can be flushed out of the body. And the fact that they're biocompatible also means that your body won't reject them. I would say that OSU definitely offers a lot to me as far as research goes, just because the university is so large. The other undergraduate student that I'm working with is a biomedical engineer. We're collaborating with a neurosurgeon from the medical campus. We're collaborating with a material science professor. There are a lot of different people coming together and working on the same project, and I'm getting an interdisciplinary experience in my research. To anyone who wants to get involved in research, I would recommend talking to people that they know. Research opportunities don't usually find students. It's about being proactive, knowing what you're interested in, and then talking to people who you've had a chance to develop a relationship with, whether it's an advisor or a professor or another classmate who's involved in research, and finding out what opportunities are there. I would recommend to anyone who doesn't know if research is right for them that they just get out there and try it. My name is John Larison. I'm an undergraduate researcher. How about you?